Have you ever wondered what lies ahead for the crypto market? Well, get ready for another eventful week filled with exciting developments and potential game changers. One of the biggest points of discussion in the Bitcoin and crypto community is the impending approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. But that's not all that's happening this week. While there may not be a plethora of major macro events, the ones on the horizon are far from insignificant. On Tuesday, we have U.S. retail sales to look forward to. Wednesday brings us U.S. building permits, housing sales data, and Intel's earnings report, which might just give us a clue about any changes in their Bitcoin balance sheet. And Thursday, hold on to your seats for U.S. jobless claims, existing home sales, and a highly anticipated speech by Fed Chair Powell. The financial world is buzzing with anticipation for Powell's speech, with recent unexpected rises in U.S. inflation and the tense situation in the bond market. Everyone wants to know what Powell has to say. Will he signal the need for another rate hike to combat inflation, or will he emphasize the tight situation in the bond market, potentially rendering further rate hikes unnecessary? Is your question that have been on the minds of many, including several Fed speakers who have addressed these concerns in their recent speeches? Interestingly, this is the last week of speeches by Fed officials before a 2-week blackout period leading up to the next FOMC meeting. So the significance of Powell's speech is particularly high. Amidst all this uncertainty, gold has been on the rise, up 5.6% over the past 6 days. Some analysts see this as a bullish sign for Bitcoin, as historically, gold has led the way for BTC.
If history repeats itself, we might want to keep a close eye on Bitcoin for any potential upward movements.
In the altcoin universe, there are a few noteworthy events to pay attention to. Axie Infinity is set to unlock $64 million worth of tokens on October 20th. This represents a significant portion of its circulating supply and could have a notable impact on its market. The Arbitrum ecosystem is also making waves after its grant voting phase, with protocols like GMX and MUX and Camelot emerging as frontrunners in grant allocation. Algorand is hosting its X-Day conference by Multiverse X on October 19th, which is expected to generate a lot of buzz. And let's not forget about ApeCoin, which will be unlocking $16.7 million in ABE on October 17, primarily for its founding team and early contributors. Analysts are eagerly awaiting potential price fluctuations as a result. While this week may not be as jam-packed as previous ones, the outcomes of these events could shape the trajectory of the crypto market in the coming weeks. So sign by, buckle up, and get ready for another exciting ride. And on a final note, here's a little joke for you. Why did the Bitcoin go to therapy? Because it had too many ups and downs. With that said, thanks for reading. And until next time.